Hey there, it's Matt Lewis of eMediaWorks with What's So Cool About Manufacturing. Lehigh Valley students, I love to watch all your videos and give feedback. Seeing your stories, I've learned a ton about manufacturing, so I wanted to pass on some of that knowledge to everyone. I'm giving myself the challenge of sharing facts about manufacturing in our community in less than 60 seconds. I call it the Manufacturing Minute. Here we go. Fact 1. Manufacturing in the Lehigh Valley provides $8.1 billion, that's with a B, dollars to the area, making it one of the top manufacturing markets in the United States. Fact number 2. 37,000 people are employed by more than 700 manufacturers in the Lehigh Valley region. And fact number 3. For those in the region who work in manufacturing, the average salary is between $70,000 and $80,000 a year. Whew, those are some good numbers. That was a Manufacturing Minute.